Welcome to Daily Insights, your source of bite sized wisdom and transformative knowledge. I am DrLaxley Stephenson. I invite you to journey with me into a world brimming with enlightenment, where every moment is a golden opportunity to learn, to grow, and view the world anew. Together, let us explore the marvels hidden in the fabric of daily life, transforming ordinary encounters into invaluable lessons. Whether you're seeking inspiration, a quick practical tip, or a profound exploration of life's most significant question, Daily Insights is your gateway to knowledge to aid your self discovery and personal growth. Join me and let us illuminate the path to wisdom together. I was engaged in a conversation today with a very close friend, Dr. Cecilia Lynch Mitchell. And of course, we talk about many things, but the thing that stays with me is the piece about reflection, introspection. So I decided to say something about that today. The power of introspection, a call to the depths of self. Let me begin by asking you to take a moment to engage in quietness. Now that you're in a quiet place, I have some questions for you to think about. When was the last time you truly listened to your thoughts? Have you ever dared to confront your deepest fears, your grandest dreams? I have. Now, I ask you to embark on an inward journey, not as a passive traveler, but as a daring explorer of your soul, an active explorer. Now, consider this. Here are some questions. What are the values that define you? Are you living in alignment with them? Or have you strayed from the path of your truth? Let us all agree that introspection isn't a stroll in the park. It is a demanding trek through the wilds of your inner landscape. Are you brave enough to acknowledge your flaws, not to belittle yourself, but to forge a path of genuine growth? Can you can you celebrate your victories, not with arrogance, but with a humble gratitude and a keen eye for the lessons they hold? I have a challenge for you. I want you to turn off the external noise and silence the voices of doubt and fear. Now, tell me, what is your inner voice whispering to you? Are you listening? Are you really listening? Are you listening to respond? Or are you listening to learn, to grow, to understand? I know I have been asking you a lot of questions, but now I have a word of encouragement for you. I encourage you to stand firm. Let introspection be your rebellion against the chaos in your world. Will you let the world dictate your worth, or will you claim it for yourself through self reflection, through introspection? Guess what? The choice is yours. But, as always, there's a question. Are you ready to wield the power of introspection to sculpt the masterpiece that is your life? Here again, I encourage you to embrace this challenge. For in the depths of your soul lies the wisdom, strength, and courage you seek. In closing, I want you to ask yourself this question. Will you take the first step today? I know I will. Thank you and blessings always.